What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on Moonriver, which is pumping up in value as I'm recording the video. Yes, it did pump up quite a bit earlier this afternoon, $21, and right now it's trading at $18.95 and has pumped up 27% up in the last 24 hours. So where is this crypto heading to next? Is it going to go for another pump, or is it going to just drop back down in value to around the $15 mark? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at is it time to buy, is it time to sell, or is it just time to hold on to it, and also as usual going through its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low can Moonriver go. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are on the Coinbase website, and in the last hour itself it managed to gain just over 2% in value, over the last day 26%, over the week 23%, and over the month 55%. So it's been going up in value at a slow and steady pace over the last 4 weeks. However, over the last, let's say, 8 to 9 hours, it's pumped up so high, but right now it's starting to come back down in value, as you can clearly see. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 1000% in the last 24 hours, making it $92.4 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Moonriver. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's been getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype. We're seeing more and more people investing and buying it and selling it as well, because obviously, if you did buy into it and it's pumped up a good 30%, you're probably on a decent amount of profit, and then buying into it when it drops back down. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. And we are also going to do some price prediction as well, using the MACD indicator here at the bottom. So at the top, we've got the candlestick pattern chart, the daily chart with the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, which is currently valuing Moonriver at $14.59. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value at $19.27, meaning it is performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's get into it. As you can see, zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have quite of a mixed signal. We've got the blue line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line is flat out going in a straight line. It's not looking bullish or bearish, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected over the coming hours. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm talking about tomorrow midday to tomorrow afternoon, we should expect an overall increase in value on Moonriver. It is going to be a minimal increase, nothing too crazy, so do not expect major increases or major drops or anything like that, but potentially heading to about the $20 mark is what I'm expecting by midday tomorrow. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Now we're looking quite bullish. As you can see, the blue line and the orange line are clearly going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive. The only reason for that is the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case, and if you guys have been following me for a while, you would know that I've always said this: whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little step back, and the exact same applies to Moonriver. It has already started to dip in value. Yes, it's going back up in value right now, but I'm expecting it to take more dips over the coming days. So by, let's say, over the next week, so by end of next week, we should be expecting it to drop back down to about $16 to $17, somewhere around there. Again, the dip is not going to be straight away, going from $19 all the way down to $16. It is going to be a slow and steady dip over the coming days. There's going to be green days when it's up, there's going to be red days when it's down, but the overall outcome, I'm expecting it to fluctuate around the $16 mark towards the end of next week. Now moving on to the daily chart, now we're looking much more realistic. We don't have any steep lines, but we still got the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning again minimal increases in value are expected over the coming weeks. So I'm talking about mid-September to late September, we should expect an overall increase in value on Moonriver, potentially heading to about $25 to $26. However guys, crypto has not been performing too well over the last 6-7 months since the start of 2022. Obviously it was booming back in November last year, but ever since then it's been going downhill. It's been quite volatile, but more or less moving towards a negative direction. So any major crashes or any major pumps or anything like that will have a major impact on the value of not just Moonriver but the whole crypto market in general, especially Bitcoin guys, because when Bitcoin's pumping, we're going to see most cryptos pumping in value as well. However, when we see Bitcoin dropping in value quite a bit, we are also going to see most cryptos dropping as well. So what I have put together for you guys is a Telegram group chat where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin every single day, on what to expect, what to predict, where the market is heading towards, and what price target is likely to hit. And I also show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. So if you guys want to get involved, the link to my Telegram will be in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and after that it will increase to $29.99. And guys, over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before this discount code expires. So just to give you guys a clear image on what takes place once you sign up, you're going to get put into two group chats on Telegram. The first one is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The second one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I give you guys daily updates on Bitcoin, on what to expect and what to predict, and I give you guys analysis and predictions on other cryptos that you guys request for in the group chat. Again, if you guys have any questions or any queries before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram. If not, once again, the link is in the description box down below. And back to Moonriver. So as you can see, we are not performing too well. We are trading in the red zone, and not only are we trading in the red zone, but we are in the lower part of the red zone. And for us to hit the green zone, which is here, we're going to have to hit at least $123, which we are not even close to. We're going to have to go for at least about a good 700 to 800% increase for us to hit the green zone, which I'm not expecting anytime soon. So more or less for most of this year, is very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone, but that doesn't matter. All that matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move up in a positive direction, we should be able to hit the green zone hopefully next year, late next year. But again, the whole point is that we should be able to move in a positive direction. You know, crashes aren't expected. Obviously crashes are always part of the process. So many crashes have happened over the last couple of years, and that's something that we can't avoid. But as long as we recover from them and keep moving in a positive direction, we should be good. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Moonriver guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.